In Saudi Arabia, students with autism have the right to receive education in a safe and inclusive environment that meets their needs and supports their development. There are several options for education for students with autism in Saudi Arabia, including public schools. Students with autism are enrolled in public schools with support from special education teachers and assistants who are trained to work with students with disabilities. The Saudi Ministry of Education provides resources and training to teachers to ensure they are equipped to provide inclusive education to students with autism. Private schools. Private schools in Saudi Arabia also offer education for students with autism, with some schools specifically designed for students with disabilities. These schools offer a range of support services, including speech and language therapy, occupational therapy, and behavioral therapy. Specialized centers. There are specialized centers in Saudi Arabia that provide services and support for students with autism. These centers offer a range of programs and therapies, including speech and language therapy, occupational therapy, and behavioral therapy. Homeschooling. Some families choose to homeschool their children with autism in Saudi Arabia. Homeschooling allows for a more individualized approach to education and can be tailored to meet the specific needs of the student. In Saudi Arabia, the government is working to improve the education and support provided to students with autism. In 2019, the Saudi Ministry of Education launched the Inclusive Education Initiative, which aims to provide inclusive education to all students, including those with disabilities. The initiative includes training programs for teachers, the development of special education programs, and the provision of resources and support to schools and families. Overall, there are a variety of education options for students with autism in Saudi Arabia, and the government is committed to improving the quality of education and support provided to these students.